Welcome, I'm Marek, and I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the world of keto, specifically tailored for beginners. Before we jump in, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the valuable insights we're about to explore together. So, hit that subscribe button now, and let's get started. Today, we're going to guide you on how to start keto the right way. Our primary goal is to shift your body's fuel source from sugar to fat. This transition is crucial because it involves managing insulin, a hormone that plays a pivotal role in determining whether your body burns fat or sugar. When insulin levels are high, your body prefers to burn sugar. But when insulin is low, your body can tap into its fat reserves for energy. That's the sweet spot we're aiming for. To keep insulin low, we need to reduce our carb intake and eat fewer meals throughout the day. Now, I want to clarify that eating fewer meals isn't just about cutting calories. It's about optimizing your body's ability to burn fat. Each time you eat, you trigger insulin release, so by eating less frequently, you can help keep those insulin levels down. This means you can still enjoy larger meals, just less often. Remember, the goal here is to improve fat burning, so keep that in mind as we move forward. When it comes to your meals, focus on low-carb foods. This means eliminating all forms of sugar from your diet. Yes, that includes honey, agave nectar, and any type of sugar you might be tempted to use. Instead, consider using sugar alcohols as alternatives. I've provided some links below for examples, so make sure to check those out. Always read food labels for sugar content and aim for the lowest amount possible. Now let's talk about fruits. You'll want to avoid most fruits, but you can enjoy small amounts of berries. Raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are your best friends here. When it comes to grains, steer clear of wheat flour found in bread, pasta, and cereals. Instead, I recommend using almond flour for your baking and cooking needs, and for those starchy cravings, swap out potatoes for cauliflower-based recipes. Mashed cauliflower or cauliflower pizza crust can be delicious alternatives that keep you on track. Vegetables are an exception to the carb rule, and I can't stress enough how important they are. Aim to consume at least 7 cups of vegetables daily. Incorporate a variety like bell peppers, cabbage, broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Carrots and tomatoes are also acceptable. A great tip is to eat your vegetables first. This ensures you're getting enough in your diet, and they can be quite filling if you eat them after your protein and fats. Vegetables are packed with essential nutrients, and they feed your gut microbes, which play a significant role in regulating blood sugar and boosting your energy levels. Eating them first can make it easier to meet your daily vegetable intake, so don't skip this step. Now let's discuss protein. You'll want to aim for moderate amounts, between 3 and 8 ounces, depending on your size, metabolism, and activity level. Good sources of protein include meat, fish, chicken, seafood, eggs, and cheese, as long as you don't have allergies or digestive issues. Just be cautious of added sugars in products like deli meats or bacon. Opt for fatty cuts of meat or fish rather than lean options, as higher fat proteins help control insulin levels better. Your diet should be higher in fat because fats provide more calories per gram than protein or carbs. While protein does contain some fat, you can enhance your meals by adding extra fats like avocado, butter, or olive oil. However, steer clear of unhealthy fats like soy, corn, canola, and cottonseed oils. These oils can be inflammatory and may contain GMOs and chemicals that you definitely want to avoid. In addition to dietary changes, we're going to incorporate intermittent fasting into your routine. The key rule here is to eat only when you're truly hungry. True hunger is marked by feelings of weakness or irritability, not just a minor craving or habitual eating. Avoid snacking throughout the day, as even small snacks can stimulate hunger. Instead, focus on consuming more fat at each meal to help you feel full longer. If you can, try to skip breakfast. Gradually push breakfast later or cut it out entirely. Instead, consider having coffee with butter or MCT oil to boost ketone production and ease your transition into ketosis. You might notice that cortisol levels rise around 8 a.m., which can increase your appetite temporarily. Just ignore that urge. Aim to maintain a 6-hour eating window with 2 meals, perhaps one at noon and another at 6 p.m., and fast for 18 hours. Avoid snacking to maximize the benefits of keto. So that's a summary of how to start keto correctly. If you have any questions about specific products or need clarification on anything, feel free to drop your comments and concerns below. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Your support means the world to me, and it helps us grow this community. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.